Okay. Make sure my headphones are connected. They're not. Now they are. That's not what I want. I want the other zoom window. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted up. Okay. And then let's get this right.
Really cool.
Okay. Well, as long as nobody's here. We're going to keep working on Desmos. So we got to think more about how to do that. So this right here, it has to be 1 if they're all 1. And let's take this off first, because that doesn't work. What? Right. There. Okay. So that needs to output 1 if they're all 1, and 2 if they're all 2. So, no, we just need to go. Oh, not that. If P naught sub A equals P naught sub B, then if P naught sub B equals P naught sub C, we want to output any of them. P naught sub A. Right? Okay, that's good. Where's the reset? Here's the reset. So then, if we let circle win, boom. So you can't keep playing. We want to make it to where we can't keep playing. That's a circle dub. That's an X dub once I mess up the circle dub. Okay. That should be good, actually. Do I even need the h of x now? I don't think I do. Oh, wait. I mean the v of x? I don't think I do, but it's already on there. I'm just going to leave it because it shouldn't be hurting anything. Okay. So then, yeah. So this is the win condition here. So should I do this, a P of that, but the radius needs to be bigger. That's kind of annoying. Guess I haven't used those in too many places. F, G, and P of x. So there's a P of x. It's actually the only place I've used it is up here. So that wouldn't be that difficult to change. To give it a R. And then R. So put an R there. What's wrong with this? You can't use R as a parameter because R is already defined. Right, well I would get rid of that then. And then I need to add in an R here. Or let's add in an R1. So R1 is the size of all the pieces. And then that allows me to here do P of all of this. So what is it? X, Y, X comma Y, the center, which is 2 comma 2, the piece, which is W. Does this just not need to be W of X? That just needs to be W? Yeah, that just needs to be W. W. And then the radius, which will make the radius of the thing, so 1.5. Hold on, I should at least start this, if that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I thought I already had it open, but I don't see where it's already open. Over here. Let's just leave that. There we go. Now we're good. Okay. Can I close some of these tabs then? Yes. Let's keep that one too. Yeah, leave. Okay. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Hey, Robert, what's up?
Hello?
Hello. Keep that one too. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah, leave. I'm making tic-tac-toe. Okay. There we go. There. Yeah. Hey, Robert, what's up?
Hey, I see you got tic-tac-toe about on the over there.
I got what?
I can hear you. Hey.
Hey. Nice.
Well, that's cool.
So it detects if it wins right here. But it doesn't stop the game yet if there's a win.
Definitely not.
That's what I'm going to try to do next. Yeah, that's sort of the idea. Yeah. Would that be... That's not something you would use for this, is it?
For Connect 4 coding, doing AI for Desmos, and that was I needed that for simplifying a lot of computation.
I was just going to store a whole bunch of values. I was
Oh.
going to make a list of every single position in the game. Every possible position in the game. Because there's not that many possible positions.
Oh, you could do that. I didn't even think about that.
Is 3 to the 9th less than 10,000? I actually didn't check that. No, it's not.
Yeah, have fun with that.
That's a problem then. There's really... No, because there's... Well... Oh, because that's where the rotations come in. So I'm going to have to do that if I want to get it less than 10,000.
Now I gotta say that is ambitious.
I'm pretty sure it's been done before.
And Connect, well, technically, kinda. I look on Reddit all the time, but yep, that one. But for tic-tac-toe, I haven't seen anything.
Well, this is even harder.
Yeah.
Actually, with Connect 4. Did I Google Connect 4? Oh, I did Google Connect 4. With Connect 4, there's way more positions.
Yep.
So you'd have to do something different there.
That's where I'm talking about the Minimax algorithm. That's what was used for that one.
Yeah, tic-tac-toe is going to be easier. Wow, I can't believe somebody did that with Connect 4.
I looked into it. It's not really. As I said, it's just the algorithm.
Does it play perfectly?
It can't play perfectly because it doesn't have the. How would I say it? Well, it can't play perfectly, at least not on Desmos, without breaking everything.
Okay.
But it plays better than a lot of people.
Well, there is a perfect way to play Connect 4, though.
There is a way, but running that on Desmos is not going to really cut it.
Well, I guess that's why I'm not doing Connect 4 then. Because if I want to do it, I want to be able to do it perfectly. I love this website. This website's great.
Oh yeah, I can't tell you the amount of times I've tried to just engineer openings based off of this.
I'm pretty good at Connect 4. At least, usually.
Yeah, that used to be one of my favorite games I used to play in college.
You want to play?
Okay.
I'll go first. I'm going to go in the middle.
I'll go center as well. You loop. Center. One to the left.
Okay. I was going to say center's not the best move for you now. I know that.
How did I do this? Uh, what? You another one on top of the red on the left.
All right, you can do numbers too, like one,
Oh
two,
yeah.
three, four, five, six, seven,
Okay. 3.
three. Oh, I just stacked, don't I? Isn't that it? Yeah.
And 3.
Mm, I feel like five, but I don't think it can be five. It definitely can't be two. Is it just one? Or is it here? Actually, I think it's five. Oh no, that was wrong.
Oh dang.
All right, it's in your favor now.
Yeah, I'll go with 5.
Mm. Well, I think I like five. Okay.
I'll go 5.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, I
Okay.
did something there.
I was like in this, and then here. Oh, that's pretty useless actually. And then here, and then that, and then you can go anywhere. I think it's right here again. I think I have to just block. Yep.
Hmm. Okay, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4.
The center. Okay.
Dang.
Well, you're not going to be winning after you move, right? That's not possible. So that was your best move. Um. So I just need to try to block, but I don't have any good blocks. I think it's that. Oh no, that was bad.
Uh, I'll take 3.
That was bad. Oh, we're horrible. Blunder after blunder.
Another fair.
All right, well, I gotta clean up this situation on the side here. Doesn't really matter which one, I don't think. Yeah.
And then I'll take that one.
Yeah, I think it's everywhere is like sufficiently blocked. But I can still win. Where am I gonna win? Right here? No, I'm gonna win right here. Um I'm gonna go this is probably bad. I'm gonna go there. Oh no, it's not bad. It's just like
Hmm.
blocked one of your last places.
And then I'll go on 2.
Now I think it's a pretty steady stack game. I want to block you there. So I'm just going to go over here.
Uh, shoot. 1. Uh, shoot. 7.
Wait. Okay. Um, yeah, I I'm not sure it even matters. I just have to deal with that. So I think I want to go over on this side. Not there though. Let's go there.
Yeah, you're gonna win. Well,
Well, it says that here, unless I mess up.
6. Uh, 6.
Yeah, I think now it's over.
Yeah.
It could tie, maybe.
Oh, there's no. Well, yeah, I don't think there's a way.
What's your move?
Oh, last one.
Yeah.
Last one. And that's you win.
Yeah. Good game.
Good game.
All right, this time you go first.
Middle. 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 3. 3.
Well, no, it's so it's on the right side of your screen.
And 6.
But basically,
Oh no!
is they start out
Hmm?
with 5 times.
Oh, yeah, but last one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I didn't even see that. Let me redo that move. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's a force right there. Wow.
That's what I pretty much look for.
Yeah. I feel like I've never seen that pattern before. That's a good one. So what do I have to do here? I have to go in one of those spots? Like there? Oh, wait. No, obviously not that one. Whoops. Wow, that was forced. That's crazy. Right?
Oh yeah, if
Yeah.
you. Yeah, from what I can tell, like in tic tac toe, it's usually relying on who's the first to go. Kind of like in chess, but
I mean, I imagine that once we solve chess, white will win every time.
yeah. But from the data that we record from a lot of grandmasters, white does still give a sizable advantage.
Yeah. And that's why I mean, eventually it'll just be white winning every single time.
Yeah. It's gonna it'll take a while before we get there. Our best computers are still kind of neck and neck.
You mean with people?
Oh no, it's just computers versus computers. That's
Oh,
that's an
yeah.
entire competition on its own now.
Yeah. We'll solve it eventually.
I hope I live to see it.
Yeah, hopefully. It'll probably be pretty soon.
Let's see. Oh, it's your move or?
It's your move.
Oh, shoot. 3.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
This is what I saw, but that looks... You probably have a way to defend that, wouldn't you? I'll do it anyway, that's what I see. Oh, that was good.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Back in my lead. That's probably bad, but that's what I see. Oh no, that's good. Okay.
And I'll take 1 there as well.
On 7?
Mm-hmm.
The battle bard skin.
Dang.
We're both gonna have a stack there. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't my best move.
Yeah, I'll move on top of there. Huh.
That's a disgusting column. I could get another one too, but I don't need another one there. I need to block your stuff. That'd be better. Or I could get another one here, actually. That's what I need to do, is I need to get another one there. Yeah.
I'll take 1 on top of there.
Let's see. Don't want to... Oh. I gave you 1 as well. So actually, it probably doesn't matter now.
I think, yeah, this is probably the part where when you stack.
You just got to make sure you don't stack wrong. You can still stack it
Right.
wrong. I think that's fine. Yeah.
I'll go on top of that.
So I was thinking I still have another potential. That gives me another 3 in a row.
Yeah, both of those stacks are in your favor.
You already won this game, though, in reality.
I'll take 1 on 7. Uh, 7.
Yeah.
7.
Oh,
I meant 6.
Oh, you meant 6?
Oh, that'll.
Oh, yeah, I
It
did 1
doesn't
anyway.
really matter.
Oh, I didn't even see 6. Yeah, no, you're right. It doesn't really matter. I was confused for a second. I was like, wait, I got to start the stack? I'm probably not going to win then. Yeah.
Whichever.
And now, yeah, it doesn't matter. All right, good game.
The game.
But wait, now we need a tiebreaker because we each won 1 technically.
All right. I'm finally getting the strategy back for this game.
All right, let's see who goes first. Heads or tails? Wait, heads or tails?
Tails.
Tails. You want to go first?
All right. Middle. 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 And 3. 3.
I mean, now we know how the game starts. What was it then? I could go here. I could go 6, right? Yeah.
2.
Two good options. Probably not 2 good options, though, in reality. Well, if I go here, you have to go there. And then I could block you there. That seems decent. And then you go here.
Yep.
And then I was thinking I would go there. No! Oh, no.
Oh, you can go back.
No, I don't need to go back. This is a real game. It's your turn.
3.
That wasn't a mouse slip. That was just a bad move. Wow, I've lost it now. Oh, you just went 3. Doesn't do me any good. I'm going there.
Hmm. Shoot. Hmm. Then, yeah. 3. It's probably, yeah.
No, that was good. Wasn't it? Oh,
That's
no.
good, but
It wasn't the best. It's still winning. Wow, I didn't realize I played that badly. I mean, this is where I'm tempted to go. Is this bad? I think this is fine now. Yeah.
shoot. Mm. I'll go. Dang. I'll go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's good. I feel like I just gotta go on top. Hey,
Oh,
I just missed a. What did I just do?
yeah.
Oh,
You want to go back?
yeah. Let me go back. Let me go back on that one. That was rough. Well, then we're definitely gonna go here. Oh, that was bad too. Oh gosh.
And I'll go on top of that.
Your first method is to not have one, which is where the wisdom comes in. But then if the wisdom does not work, aka you make it not listening,
Well, let's get rid of this his nonsense here.
then it's time to die.
So then you block, and then I block,
Then I block.
and then you block, and then I block.
And then I go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then I block, and then you block, and then I block.
Wait, is that forced? Yeah, it is forced. Then yeah, that's where I go on 7.
Oh, and then we stack up here.
Oh no.
Oh wait.
Nope, it's all on the 7.
Oh, you have a stack there? Oh, you have the 7. This is the shape I always look for, and I let you get it. Yeah. Yeah. So then you go there, and then I block, and then you go there. Or, yeah. Good game. Good game.
Game.
Okay, so back to this.
If you are 18,
Okay, are you using? Do you have any actions, or
Oh,
are
yeah.
you really just going on based off of all possibilities?
Well, I'm gonna need. I mean, I already have actions. I have an action to reset it,
Oh, okay.
and then I'm doing the clickable. So these are all boxes here.
Okay, so no like iterations or.
No, and then yeah, with the win condition, I didn't even do any iterations. I was like, oh, there's only 8 possible ways to get 3 in a row, so I'll just list out all 8 possible ways.
Okay.
So that's what that is, and that's why that's so long.
Shoot.
And then I made this is the function, and see, this is just a piecewise if they're all equal to each other. So if they're all equal to each other, it outputs what they are.
Okay, that's what I was thinking you were gonna do there if you weren't using any iterative actions or the ticker.
Yeah, well, I have to use the ticker.
Uh,
Can you have more than one ticker?
What do you mean?
Well, can you have more than one ticker?
Technically, yes. If separate, wait, like doing like different actions at one time, or
Well, because I imagine I'm gonna need to use a ticker to like train the AI. Like I'm gonna train an AI. I'm not gonna use like an algorithm to like, I don't know.
oh, you're actually
Yeah, my plan is to like, I know Numberphile or people made videos about this. So they did it with tic-tac-toe where they made a little matchbox for every single tic-tac-toe position. And then they did a thing with beads. So they basically just like, you have every possible position and then every possible move in each position and like a probability of each move. So it's going to like run through a game and then it's going to decide if all the moves it made were good. And then it's
I
gonna,
know exactly what you're talking about.
yeah.
I would love to see you do that in Desmos. Let me let me see anything that could be optimized for that.
I mean, it seems possible. I
It's
just make a
possible.
game right now. I feel like once I have the game made, it's not going to be that hard to implement. I might be overlooking something. I don't know. But that's what I'm saving the ticker for, is to continuously run that whole process.
Let's see what you're saying now. I mean, technically, you can run two different actions, like dedicated to different purposes, but it's all going to be running. You just have to make it where one action doesn't happen.
You're right. I could do that. But this is fine. So this
Yeah,
W,
that's good.
see this, and this is just like a single number variable. So it's just if no one's winning, it's a 0, and then when somebody wins, X is 1 and 0 is 2, and the O's are 2. So
Gotcha.
I just do that, and then what I was gonna do now is, because right now, like, see, somebody's winning, but I can still move. So I need to have it in the game somehow, and then I'll have the ticker to like restart the game, to clear it, and then restart the game somehow.
Oh, so you really so you're going to be actually training an AI and trying to store the wins so it can calculate better at,
Yeah,
as it learns.
yeah, that's the goal. Except for now that I realize that I'm gonna have to implement all those rotations, that's really gonna be difficult. Well, I could either do the rotations or the flips. It'd be better if I did both.
Oh boy.
I don't even know how to implement that. It should be like this position is the same as that position. Which is the same as that position. Which is the same as that position. So I need to make an index to somehow switch around the whole set.
Shoot. Like, this is beautiful.
Yeah, it'll be nice if it works.
This is a legend in the making right there. Oh, please. He was always a math streamer.
Aren't I already a math streamer in a way?
Yeah, somebody said you became a math streamer.
Oh, I became. Oh, bro became a math streamer. Yeah, I thought I said become a math streamer. They just didn't read my name and see that it was Mathlab.
Eh. When you're known for your chess.
Yeah, just recently though.
Yeah, but the thing is, you got such a big following for it.
I meant
It's
to
funny
look at
how
my
that.
follower account beforehand and see how many followers I lose from streaming math. So I imagine it's some. See now, yeah, now I'm gotta. I can't believe 3 to the 9th is more than 10,000. Wait, 3 to the 9th. No, 3 to the 9th is not how many possible games there are. Because it can't be all X's.
Oh yeah, you're looking at every combination
Well,
of
I'm
X's
just
and
trying to
O's.
think of how many different possible positions are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like there's 8 win conditions, rotatable.
Wait, there's 9 factorial ways? No, it's 3 to the 9th. Oh, yeah, because you're not filling it 1 through 9. In the actual Zero players fill in 1 of 9 entries, only 3 different values. That's that. Yeah, but you alternate, so you need an even number of X's and O's. So do you imagine if we're only looking at the possible positions where the number of X's and O's are equal or only off by 1, that then there's going to be less than 10,000 positions? Would that eliminate roughly half of them? Maybe.
Oh, sorry, I just got back. Getting a chicken sandwich from Zaxby's.
Nice. I'm trying to think, because here they're getting the same number. They're still doing 3 to the 9th. But that includes an all X board. But you can't have an all X board or an all O board. So I'm wondering, will there be few enough positions? I guess I could just start it, and if it hits too many positions, it'll break and just stop. So I don't want to have to deal with all those rotations and stuff. So if I did that, it would work. I mean, actually, I would just need to half the number of positions to get it to work. So what if I just did 1 rotation? Or would that half it? No, I just need to not worry about that, I think. Plus, I'm not even there yet. I haven't even implemented the game. So this is the thing that moves. So what draws it? This is the function that actually draws it. So that's F. And so I only want to do this function when
Got 3 polar coordinates.
we could talk about that if we need to.
Oh, so somebody on
Yeah, I know.
yeah,
So I saw somebody say that. W. So we only want to do that if W is greater than 0. No, we only want to do it if W is equal to 0. So now I shouldn't be able to move. Wow, look at that. That's nice.
One thing I also noticed, especially since you're about to deal with probably heavy computation, floating point errors will kind of be messy sometimes. So
Will I get floating point errors here?
if the number's too high or very low, there's a good chance. Like, I mean, I don't think you're at that step yet, though.
Yeah.
Unless you.
I'm only on implementing the game. But look at this.
Yeah.
I'm super pumped about this. Now you can't move if the game is over.
Oh wait, you got it there?
Well, I just figured that out. So now if somebody wins, the game is over. And you can no longer move.
Oh, that's great.
So we just have to, the last thing on that front, which I started down here. This is what I was trying to do. I think I just wanted that equals 0, actually. No. Yeah. So now, let's see if it'll work. Boom. X wins. Versus boom. Circle wins. Nice.
That's perfect.
That was beautiful. So that's the game. So now,
And you got TikTok content.
yeah, I mean that's a TikTok right there, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go ahead and save the graph for the first time. Tic-tac-toe, 2-player. Nice. Now should I clean this up a little bit? Or is it clean enough? I just put this all into one folder, so I can have just the game folder and then the AI folder. Is all of this necessary? Well, that's important. Let's keep that out. Is there a faster way to do this, to put all the functions into a folder?
I wish.
I just feel like I'm always just sitting here dragging functions into folders. It's even worse on the iPad.
I try so hard to find something. Now that's a mod I would download.
Yeah, somehow select everything and put it in a folder. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Ended up not
you
using
already
it.
have this modder, so.
Yeah, I don't use any Desmodder stuff, though. That's beautiful. So now this is a fully functional game. So now comes the hard part. That I don't even know how to do. Oh, and you can't have a list of lists, so how am I even going to store the positions?
Yeah, that list of listing is.
Well, then I need to assign a specific number to every position. Right? Binary? Is that just a binary problem?
Um,
Well, it's 0, 1, and 2. So because if I just consider every position, like right now, this is 0. But if I hold on, where's this? If like I can change that to a 2. So like this position here is like the base 3 number 2000.
oh my goodness.
I mean that would work, right?
Yeah, that is definitely. Wait.
So then
Yeah,
instead
that
of
it could,
then I won't
that
have to
could
say
fit.
this is position 000020000. I'll say this is position 81,
Yeah, you can make a,
162.
and you could definitely make a binary converter for that. Yeah,
Yeah.
just every part of the list, just turn it into just a single digit. Yeah, I didn't even think of that.
So I wish there were more letters. I could use capitals. T of x equals oh yeah, this is super easy with a sum. Is that right? Oh, I hate it when they do that.
What?
That you can't use and as an index because it's already defined somewhere. So now that didn't work. N is a function. Right, that's supposed to be N1. That's undefined. Why is it undefined? Why is it undefined?
Wait, where are you starting? Is that it?
Oh, can you not do an? I thought you could do a negative index.
Mm. Yeah, what do you need a negative index for?
You cannot do a negative index. Okay. So that's N1. Zero 3 to the zeros, 0 3 to the firsts, 0 3 squareds, and 2 3 cubes. What?
Okay.
Oh, I'm so stupid. So yeah, 0 3 to the firsts, 0 3 to the zeros, 0 3 to the firsts, 0 3 to the second, 2 3 to the thirds. Yeah. So that's a translator right there. From base 3 to base 10.
Huh.
Nice. So now every position has a number.
did that translator pretty fast.
What?
You did that translator pretty fast.
You said it calculated pretty fast?
I know. I said you did the translator pretty fast.
Oh. Yeah. I feel like I've done it so many times before on in Python. It's pretty much a similar thing. So but then how do we use that? So we're gonna have to store every position throughout the game.
In a way that it can read it and then have a positive or negative response to it.
Right. Well, so then that means like not only for every position that it's in, there's all the possible moves. But all the possible moves are just all of the positions that are 0 currently.
And then since you're starting from like a 0 point at the beginning. Do you want the person using your thing to put it through several iterations and then play it, or?
Well, so I'm thinking. I mean, that's a whole nother good question. I was just thinking about the training process. I don't know about playing it afterwards. How you decide when the training process is done. I was just gonna have it play a random player. So one player is the AI that's learning, and the other player just makes random moves.
Okay.
That was the idea. Because, like, I'm not going to play it 1,000 times, obviously. But Desmos should be able to play 1,000 games.
Keep in mind, it's encoding these different variations of these 9 different places. And it has to be able to kind of decipher.
What was that? I couldn't hear that very well.
1,000 games, and then there's 9 places, those numbers that is encoded, that it has to be able to kind of understand.
I still can't understand you. I still can't understand what you're saying.
Sorry. For those 1,000 games, for those 1,000 different games, those are still 9 places that's encoded. For every one of those games, it's still having to do several more calculations between.
Well, yeah. There's only 9 possible moves in one game. A game can only last 9 moves. So it runs the game, and then it does its calculations. Then it runs another game, and then it adjusts the calculations. Yeah, I mean, I don't have a good picture in my head of how I'm going to do it.
Funny thing is, I did see somebody else do a neural network in Desmos. So it's possible.
Yeah, it's definitely possible. I don't even know what a neural network is entirely.
It's essentially a learning platform. So it's essentially somebody had it able to recognize when the number 3 was drawn.
Oh, that's cool.
Slow as heck, but
yeah.
Desmos is is almost Turing complete.
Well, it's got to be Turing complete, right? Just really slow.
It can run Minecraft. Trust me. After all the 3D work I've done in it.
Yeah.
I know how much it can run.
Wait a minute. That didn't work right.
Wait, what happened? Huh. There's one possibility you didn't account for.
I did, though. Oh, wait. They're both winning. Hold on. What is going on?
Well, it should have won on a move prior.
Yeah, that should be a win. But what was weird was when I did that, like, see that, but then when I click again So it's an order. It's just
Oh,
it's an order of action running.
yeah, that gotta be it. I didn't think you had more actions in there.
When does W change? W. So what's the problem here? The problem is. So let's look at W as we go. Where's W? Right here. So we're going along. Wow, yeah, that's not a win. And that's also not a win. What? I thought this was working the entire time. Was that just one possible? But then this is what happened
Oh,
last time.
you had multiple wins that were calculated. Yeah, I've seen you run through several iterations. So
Yeah, I've just been sitting here absentmindedly clicking it, and I thought it like worked every time until right now. But then that's weird that
like,
it works after. Like, see how we do that, and that's a win, but it doesn't detect it. That's a win, it doesn't detect it. But now when I make another move, it detects it for O. So why? What's wrong? I mean, I could clean up this function now, because I don't think I need the V function. I think I just need the A function. So where is that 6, 7, 8, 9? That's this one right here that should have done that.
shoot.
What? That one, so it worked. How does it work on almost all of them? But somehow not. What? Now I can't move at all. Oh, because W is undefined.
It's probably just like a conditional that just needs to come in like an or instead of an and or something.
But I just copied
I'm
and
trying to make.
pasted all of these. They should just be the same.
Wait, where you copy from?
Oh, I just screwed up this W. How did I just screw up this W? What's wrong with this now? What? Oh. Comma 0. Comma 0. Okay. Wow.
That's what I literally just said too.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that doesn't necessarily fix it. That just fixed that current problem. Yeah, it still doesn't
Okay,
fix.
so that's like, what were your test conditionals for at least like the top three that you can see?
Well, I mean, this is what we're looking at right here. In 4, 5, or not that, not right there. Oh, well, that maybe I deleted. Let me try to delete this N. I deleted the wrong V.
If
Not
you
myself.
copied and pasted something, you usually uh, either you added on that to something on accident.
But you can see it right here. It should be if that, if N, comma 4, 5, 6, which is just saying if those are equal. So if all three of those are equal, it outputs the first one. So N of A, B, C, N of 4, 5, 6 should be 1 because It should be 1. And it's 0. That's what the mod was for. That's what that mod was for. So it's just seeing if it's a whole number or not. And then I'll put this v here. So again, that doesn't fix the problem. Well, actually, can I still move? Yes, I can still move. Okay, hang on.
See.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this W, as far as I can tell, should be that. What is that? Undefined.
Oh, just a little test. Is there any possibility that your visual is displaying something different than what your?
I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it's not, but I did just realize I'm looking at 4, 5, 6 when we should be looking at 7, 8, 9. So
Okay.
that's a part of it. So what is n of 7, 8, 9? That should be 1. That is 1. But then, so then if I do v of that, that should be 0 because v is just mod 1ing it. So it is. So v of n, that's this right here. This equals 0. Therefore, it should output this, which we just said was 1. However, it's not. Is it just default? Is it going to the default? It's not going to the default. It's being picked up somewhere. You know what it's doing. I know exactly what it's doing. You know what it's doing?
Is it? Did you add something?
No. It's about this win condition of how it's telling if it's winning. So what it's doing is it's checking all 3 of the squares, whatever squares you're looking at, and if all 3 of them are the same, that's the winner. But here's the deal. It kind of works from the bottom up, and look what's going on right here. These 3 squares are the same.
Oh.
So therefore the winner is blank. The winner is 0.
And it has to be either 1 or 2 for O's and X's.
So,
okay, I got it now.
Easy enough. If p sub 0 is greater than 0, you're going to do all that. And I messed... No, I didn't mess that up. That should be right. Why is that not right? Why did it work when there was no semicolon there? P sub 0. Oh, it's not P sub 0. It's not P sub 0. It's P sub 0 sub A. Boom.
Nice.
That fixed it. So now it's only going to run that function. And it's okay if that function is defined from, or is undefined. That doesn't matter if that function's undefined. It still goes back and forth with the moves if you click, but I think that's fine. Okay, so now the win condition. Now there can't be anything wrong with the win condition now. It has to be good.
Nice.
Do you think I need to make it to where you can't change a thing?
Well,
I don't think that matters for a computer program.
it shouldn't matter.
As I was gonna say, you just pick like, because like if it like here, like if it's X's turn, well, so now it's X's turn, and I can't just be like, okay, X, pick a random number 1 through 9, and if it works, play it, because anything would work. But how do you know if it works anyway? So already I'm gonna have to say, oh, and it's already choose from the possible moves. Well, I'm thinking for the random guy. So he'll just have to choose randomly from the squares that are left. And that'll be fine. Okay. Well, at least it works now, so I can make a TikTok about it.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Let's make this bolder. Much better. Okay. All right. Well, that was a successful math lab. But I think it's time to sign off.
Beautiful.
All right.
But yeah, once you get the algorithm working, put that on Reddit. I can guarantee you nobody's done that. At
You
least
don't
did
think?
it. Well, more like I've done anything like this with tic-tac-toe.
Actually, speaking of Reddit, I tried to post my Eevee thing on Reddit, but I don't even know what Reddit account I should be using because I wasn't a member of I wasn't a member of the subreddit for long enough. Should I be using this account? I think that's my real account, or my Mathlab account at least. But now I've been following it for a while, so I actually probably could post something. Yeah, I'll do that later though. All right. Well, that was fun. I will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Peace out. All right, everybody. Well, that was fun. We'll be back with chess later, obviously. Whoever's still here.